Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. I'm Scott Lai, Director General of the Taipei Economic and Cultural Office in San Francisco, which represents the government of Taiwan. It is an honor to witness the donation ceremony today. I'd like to first, on behalf of people in the government of Taiwan, to express our deepest sympathy to the people in Hayward who have lost their family members during the pandemic. This time, COVID-19 hit us very hard, but we will never surrender. Second, luckily, with the population of 23.5 million, Taiwan has only less than 700 confirmed cases and only 7 deaths. And most importantly, people in Taiwan can enjoy a normal life. And it is our sincere hope that people around the world will be able to get back to their normal life soon, and Taiwan will be able to help and provide necessary medical supplies to those who are in need. For your information, Taiwan, we have so far donated more than 54 million surgical masks to over 82 countries in the world. And in the US alone, we have donated more than 12 million surgical masks. And in Northern California, Nevada, and Utah combined, we have donated more than 1 million surgical masks. I think it is a great example to elaborate the meaning of Taiwan can help. And today, I'd like to especially to express my appreciation to the Taiwanese Chamber of Commerce of San Francisco Bay Area for their generous donation of 15,000 surgical masks. I believe they have taught us the true meaning of friend in need is a friend indeed. And once again, it is indeed an honor to be here today, and I wish everyone good health. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you for Director General. And next, I would like to invite our mayor to make a remark for us.
Thank you so much. It's really amazing to be here, many months into this pandemic, and knowing that we probably have many months more to go before we are back to normal, which I share your hope that we will be someday. But in the meantime, I just want to also, on behalf of all of the people of Hayward, and especially on behalf of those who are going to benefit from this generous gift, to thank the Taiwanese Chamber of Commerce, and it's very fitting that we're gathered here. This is Tiburcio Vasquez is our, really our most important provider of health services to our, especially to our lower income population here in Hayward, and they have been treating people through this pandemic. They will continue to do so, and they are most deserving beneficiary of this mask donation. And I believe in our masks for the city of Hayward that we do also plan to use them at others of our nonprofits that are really working hard all through our city to help people during this time. It's not just the illness; it's the the economic loss that people have suffered, the housing problems with getting food, and I'm proud to say the Hayward community has stepped up, and really it's because of organizations. We have organizations like yours that were responding. So I want to extend a big welcome also to Hayward, to Executive General, is that it? Executive General Lai.
Yes.
Who has come from San Francisco and further from Taiwan to be here with us today, and everyone. Our state assembly member, and also a former colleague of mine on the Hayward City Council, but now representing us in the state assembly, Bill Quirk is here too, and I know he has worked hard to bring people together during this time of crisis and provide the needs that everyone needs throughout the community. So again, thank you so much for this generous donation, and we look forward to continuing partnerships. Thank you.
Thank you, Mayor. I know all you can give a message to distribution of the mask to the community. Now let's have the deal.
Thank you, everyone. Teresa Keng, who's on the board of the Taiwan Peace Chamber, she came to me and said, where can we make the most impact with these masks? And there was no doubt in my mind. In southern Alameda County, Ashland and Cherryland, the unincorporated area just north of here, and South Hayward have the largest number of cases. And no one serves them better than Tiburcio Vasquez Health Center. We have this unit, one up in San Leandro, near Ashland and Cherryland, and one in South Hayward. This is the best place to get help, and if you need help, do come here to Tiburcio Vasquez. One other thing that I want to mention is Thanksgiving is coming. There are other holidays that people are celebrating as well. The best thing, of course, is to do it at a distance over Zoom. However, if you are going to see your relatives, do it as we're doing here. Keep distance, do it outside, wear your mask. If you really want to go and see people, do it safely. And again, I can't say how much Tiburcio Vasquez does for southern Alameda County. It wouldn't be home without them. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. We take the lesson now. Keep the good distance and wear the mask all the time. Next, we'd like to have the supervisor's office.
Hi everyone, 大家好. My name is Maria, and I'm here representing Supervisor Valle of Alameda County District 2. I'd just like to echo the sentiments of Barbara Halliday and Mayor Halliday and Philip Quirk here, that this is such a generous donation. We really need it here in District 2 and in Hayward especially. As we know that we've had some of the highest cases here in Alameda County. These masks will go a long way to help our constituents who don't have the resources to get for the first line of defense to help prevent the spread of COVID-19, which we have been dealing with, for the better part of this year. I'd just like to say on behalf of Supervisor Valle and the constituents of District 2, thank you so much for the Taiwanese Chamber of Commerce for donating these amazing masks that we can help our constituents.
Thank you. Next, we have Deputy Director from South Bay and Kuang.
The TCCSFBA, President Mr. Chou, Mayor Halliday, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of Overseas Community Affairs Council and Cotton Center of Technical Investigators, I'm delighted to be invited to this event. The TCCSFBA and its members not only have a successful career and strong financial resources, but also actively participate in charity. They have already donated a lot of masks made in Taiwan and to several cities and counties, and we also share the honor. Many Taiwanese compatriot groups in Bay Area like TCCSFBA also donate a lot of masks and medical supplies to the local institution and department of government, such as hospitals, care center, schools, district, fire bureau, police station, etc. The Taiwan government sent a lot of masks to some states of U.S., which is more severe than other states as well. Obviously, Taiwan is willing to stand together with the world and safeguard the health and well-being of humanity. We would like to combat the pandemic and share our resources with the other countries. today's event is a very good demonstration that which shows Taiwan can help and Taiwan is helping. So in the end, I wish everyone stay healthy and get through the pandemic as soon as possible. Thank you.
Thank you, former Deputy Director. Next, we'd like to have the Cleveland's Council Member, Teresa.
Good morning. Hi, everyone. I'm Teresa Keng from Fremont City Council. I'm very honored to help coordinate the donation today. I serve, very honored to be serving on the board of the Taiwanese Chamber of San Francisco Bay Area. And I am just so touched by all the efforts that the Taiwanese chambers around the country have been making. Together they have fundraised to purchase 10 million masks, surgical related masks from Taiwan. And it's just amazing that during this time, even though all the small business owners are also having a hard time, they're contributing to the community. And I also want to take the opportunity to thank all of our health workers here. You guys are the heroes of this difficult time. And also our Assemblyman Quirk, our county supervisor and Mayor Halliday here for all of your amazing work helping us through the pandemic. So let's stay vigilant with our mask wearing and social distancing, and hope to see you guys again soon. Thank you.
Very last, I would like to have the CEO for the center. This is the first time for most of us. First time in here.
Good morning. Thank you so much for thinking of Tiburcio. Tiburcio has been around for close to 50 years. Next year we'll be celebrating our 50th year anniversary. And since then, what we have done is that we have been here to serve our community. Tiburcio Vasquez Health Centers, they serve close to 32,000 patients. We have clinics here in Hayward, San Leandro, Ashland, Cherryland area, and Union City. And our patient population has been disproportionately impacted by COVID. So we're grateful for this donation. It's gonna go a long way. I was just sharing earlier with Assemblymember Quirk and Mayor Halliday that we've come a long way since March, but the work's not done yet. There's a lot that needs to be done, and this mask will allow us to do that, to provide that to our staff members who day in and day out provide the best services that they can to our patients. Our communities, particularly our certain zip codes in our area, have been disproportionately impacted by COVID. They have had these, along with Oakland, the highest rates for COVID. So we are proud, and I'm proud to be part of this organization and to be representing this organization so that we can continue to provide testing, so that we can continue to provide the healthcare services that are needed. So thank you for your advocacy. Thank you for this mask. And thank you for keeping all of us healthy. We really appreciate and the opportunity to partner with all of you and to think of us for what you're doing. As many of you have mentioned, it takes a community to continue to keep us healthy. So please continue to wear your mask, and please continue to social distance as well. We will get through this. We have many months ahead of us, but with your support, you're gonna continue to allow us to do that. So thank you for being here today. Thank you for your continued support. And if there's anyone that needs healthcare services, our doors are always open. Thank you for your time.
I think join hand the Taiwanese Chamber members can work closely together with the center, and we can fight against the pandemic. And let's continue to do our effort. Thank you.
Thank you for coming.
Yeah, now we wait for today's open donation ceremony. Okay,
Yeah, thank you so much. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Should we pass that around?
Oh, thank you so much. Oh, okay. Yes, I appreciate that.
Thank you, and I will email
You
you.
guys did a great job.
Oh.
I saw the operation
Oh,
out there.
good. I'm glad. We We're going to take a few photos out there to see it, and I can take you if you would like to for all the work that we're doing. Really appreciate it. So thank you again for thinking of us. Really? You should. You should come visit us anytime you can. We have a few clinics, one here, another one in San Leandro, one in Union City. We're at the high schools as well, so we have a few.
国内这种医疗公司里面的或者就开始对来做国际的照也就是所谓的人造卫那到目前捐赠有超过5400万个医疗口罩，全世界超过80个以上的国家。那光是美国啊，我们就捐赠超过1200万个医疗口罩。而在我们辖区啊，包括北加州、内华达州、湾区的商会。像我们今天的湾区台商会总共捐赠超过的100万个以上的医疗口罩，那这可以说是真正味道的这个关键的。
OK。
大家知道啊，原则上我们都捐赠政府、州政府、县政府、地政府、医疗院所的善行。那为什么我们希望能够有更多的条款啊，能够跟我们湾区台湾商会一样，能够跟我们也相信以后会有更多的机会来跟湾区台商合作。对于当时的侨胞啊，我们必须要跟大家报告，因为疫情的关系，所以加上
How many are
Normally people have masks, and now that I'm working all the time, I have masks all the time. So, yes, every
包括有哪些